Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Cardano on December the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.169 mark. And my main assumption at this very point was that we hit the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, especially for the B wave in the ABC correction. And from this point, my main assumption was that we have to land somewhere lower at around 80 cents price point. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, we hit exactly to the tick the golden pocket range, and since I made my previous video, we went even lower and we hit 80 cents price point to the tick. And for now, we are hovering in this green rectangle as the potential accumulation level for Cardano for upcoming weeks. And guys, if you want to see my previous video that I made on Cardano on December the 9th, you can see that we were at $1.115 mark. And here I made this blueprint of its potential price actions, that we have to form our A wave that should land lower, and then we have to have a B wave that will unload this movement, and then another leg to the downside. And guys, again, I was 100% correct. That is the real example of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that this movement to the downside was not only anticipated, but this price target of about 80 cents price point was quite easily identifiable. Because if you watch my video for quite some times, you know that the levels in between 0.5 and 0.65 are accumulation levels for algo trades with the price target of negative 0.236. And if you pull the fib retracement tool from the top of the wave to the bottom of the wave, or vice versa from the bottom to the top, and 50% retracement will be a signal for algorithms to accumulate their short position in this case, because the movement, the trend is to the downside. And their stop loss will be slightly above 0.65 level, and their price target is right here. Guys, take a look right here. They hit it exactly to the tick, and they gained about 33% of potential profit from the short side of this movement. And let's take a look at some fundamentals. What do we have from the grand scheme of things? The global crypto market cap is $3.32 trillion. It is slightly higher than it was previously by less than 1%. And I have to admit that potentially all the cryptocurrencies might have a bounce to the upside, because on a 7-day period, I have to admit that all of the top 10 coins are deeply in red, and we are in first, at least in the first wave of this retracement, and the bounce is highly anticipated. That is why, guys, upcoming several days and up to week probably might be quite bullish on all the assets. And Cardano is not an exception, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Cardano is not exception in this list, and we have, let's zoom out to a daily time frame. Let me show you that we have this quite substantial movement to the upside that started at the very beginning of November. And for now, guys, this retracement is very healthy. Again, we hit with this long wick 0.5 level. and it is another level for algo trades, for algorithms to accumulate their long position at this time, and their stop loss will be slightly below 0.65, and their main price target for now is negative 0.236 from the bull side. And from this point, guys, we might have up to 75% of upside potential, but algorithms already started to load their position from 0.5, and their potential profit might be up to 96%. If this asset, guys, if this asset goes lower, and if it hits the golden pocket range from this level, the upside potential might be up to 132%, as you can see right here. That is why I think we have quite decent opportunity to enter our long position. On top of that, guys, let me show you this quite bullish candle. We have this hammer at the very bottom of its movement to the downside with a quite substantial volume. And this is a quite bullish sign as well, that potentially might lead us to the conclusion that the trend reversal near. But at the same time, guys, let's take a look at hourly time frame, and let me show you the most recent movement in details. So you know that ABC correction is quite common in the fourth wave, and we are for now in the fourth wave if I properly identified this movement. And for now, guys, we have clear structure to the downside, but in my opinion, we basically have lack of waves to the downside. Let me explain you what I'm talking about. C wave should strictly have 5 waves in it, and for now we have only, let me show you like this. This might be the first wave, this is the second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth retracement, and I have to say that this retracement is quite substantial. It is not so common, but it is 100% legit. And in this case, we have to have one more leg to the downside. But with this quite high level of bounce to the fourth wave, we might have double bottom pattern, or we might have truncated fifth wave. And I have to say that we might have it even like right here. It is not so likely, but it doesn't violate any rules according to Elliott wave theory. Or we might have a slight overthrow that will land somewhere below $0.758 mark. So, and somewhere here we have to have a trend reversal, and it doesn't contradict to any types of Elliott wave theory rules, and it doesn't contradict with my previous assumption that from somewhere from 0.5, somewhere from 8.18 cents, not 8 but 81.8 cents to 66.1 cents, we might have a trend reversal that will land somewhere higher. And guys, definitely it is still quite risky, because the downside potential stop loss order should be placed somewhere below its previous swing low at 15% of potential losses. But if you incrementally accumulate your position to the downside with the stop loss, even in this case you might put it slightly below $0.65 at 66 cents. In this case, your upside potential will be quite substantial, and this will lead to more than 100% of potential profit within next several weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.